Yes, very good morning, one and all children. Hope all of you have written your names in the chat box. Still, some other students also have to write. Please make it fast. And at the end of the class, if possible, I'll take once again the attendance. Okay. So let us start our class, today's class. Today is 7th January 2022. So what is the day? Friday. Yeah, Friday is the day and 7th Jan is the date. Fine. Okay, now, one of you tell me what is the chapter we are dealing with?
How light, how heavy?
How heavy, how light. Yes, good. How heavy, how light. In the last class, we have seen few objects and we have seen which one is heavy, which one is light. We compared and we have seen that in balances, if the plate goes down, it means that is a heavy object, right? And if the plate goes up, then it is a light object. This is what we have done. Let us go into the chapter now. Okay, as you have it in your textbook. So if you have textbook, you can open page number 133. Page number 133. If not also, it's okay because I'm going to show you the PowerPoint. So I have shared the screen, hope you can see. So here, chapter 12, how heavy, how light. So we have a small story there. Jaiju and Manu, these two people were shifting house. Please listen to me, children. Jaiju and Manu were shifting house. So while shifting, what is the first thing we do? We pack the items, right? All items at home. So can you name some heavy items from your home? If you are
Table, bag.
right, rice bag, table, chair, anything else? Sofa, very good. Beds, that is cots. Almiras,
Almari,
yeah, beds, and so these are very heavy items we have, right? Just to name some small items. Laptop, okay. It's a simple one. You can carry with you. TV. Utensils, you can pack it in a small carton, right? So in this way, we have different kinds of objects at home, heavy and also light, isn't it? Similarly, Jaiju and Manu also have packed the items. Let us see what are the different packs they have got ready with. And what they have done, they have loaded in a horse cart. You have learned what a horse cart is, right? Yes, animal transport. We have learned it in 2nd class itself when you were in school and I was in school, right? Now we are not meeting in school. So now, they have loaded all these items on the horse cart. Let us see what are the things loaded. A sack of wheat. Do you know the meaning of sack of wheat?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, it's a bag. It's a bag, yeah. Right? So as I say sack, I remember something, the word sack of salt. Do you remember something about this? We have done something in our class. Anything? Sack of salt. Do you remember something? We were in classroom. We played a role also. Then it seems that my memory power is higher than yours, huh? You don't remember?
Somebody's a fox and
sack of salt, a donkey. No? Mokshita is getting, but not sure. Akshit Gaud and I think Kashi or someone has played the role also.
Donkey and the man, ma'am.
Yes, and he used to take sack of salt on donkey every day, right? They used to cross the river, but donkey was very lazy. What happened one day? Donkey wanted to do something, play a trick. Then what did donkey do? forgot. He did not want to carry the sack of salt. Then what he did? He dipped himself.
Fall down the river, ma'am.
Fell down into the river. Then what happened?
The salt
Soak.
Salt
Then-
is melting.
Then it melted. Then it has become very light. Weight of the sack of salt has become very light because salt melted into the water. Yes, please mute those who have a disturbance at home. So what happens? Then donkey thought that, oh, it's so nice. Every day if I dip myself into the river, the salt will melt, isn't it? And there will be no load on me and I can walk very easily. Now hope you remember? Yes. Then what happened? What next? What happened next?
Then one day the
Listen.
owner
to me.
put.
Then the owner wanted to teach a lesson to donkey.
Sunday owner put blankets, ma'am.
No, not blanket. Might be, it can be blanket also, but in our story it was cotton. So he placed cotton in the side. He made a bag of cotton and he put it on the donkey. Donkey felt very happy because cotton is very light, isn't it? In general, cotton is very light.
Yeah.
Right? Then he was very happily going. Then he thought, okay, let me fell down into the river once again so that it will become much easier. Isn't it? Then what happened?
It becomes heavy, ma'am.
It becomes heavy because cotton soaked water. Right? Cotton do not melt into the water, isn't it? As salt. So cotton soaked water and it became more heavier. Right? Then donkey felt very difficult to go. Then he taught a lesson to donkey that you should do your work as you have accepted. This is not the way to avoid the work.
Yeah.
Right? Anyways, we are deviating from the lesson. It was about heavy and light, and cotton is very light in nature. Okay, but if it is dipped in water, it became heavy. Salt is heavy, but when it is dipped in water, it melted and gone. It has become light, right? So here it is not the question of that salt and cotton. Here a sack of wheat, a sack of rice, water tank, almirah, a table, a chair, mattress, bamboo ladder, pots and pans. These many things they have loaded on the horse cart. Now weight is also given. What is the weight of sack of wheat?
100 kgs, ma'am.
100 kilograms. Look at the table and all of you should answer. What is the weight of sack of rice?
35 kilograms, ma'am.
What is the weight of water tank?
35 kilograms.
Water tank, 50 kilograms. Almirah, 70 kilograms. Table, 10 kilograms. A chair, 5 kilograms. Mattress, 20 kilograms. Bamboo ladder, 20 and pots and pans, 10 kilograms. Now, listen.
10 kilograms.
Listen.
you did all, ma'am.
Yeah, listen now first. Here, when Jaiju and Manu have loaded all these things on the horse cart, it is not directly the same what they have shown. What happened is a sack of wheat, 100 kilograms. So it is not only one sack. Your children. So here, what happened is it is not only one sack of wheat. They have taken more bags, more sacks, more chairs, more then water tank also might not be one. There are so different quantities. Okay. Then what happened? Weight increases, right? Then horse could not go because horse was older. It has become a bit old and the capacity of horse to carry was only 700 kilograms. What was the capacity? It was only 700 kilograms. That was the information given by their father. Jaiju and Manu's father, therefore he told them that horse cannot carry the weight of things more than 700 kilograms. Now, the duty of Jaisu and Manu was to find out what is the weight they are putting on the horse cart. So let us find out. Okay. So now see the next table. Jaisu and Manu were shifting house. They looked all their things. They loaded all their things on a horse cart. Find out the total weight they had loaded on the cart. Now you have to find out the total weight. A sack of wheat, it is 100 kilograms. But how many sacks here they have placed? They have placed 5 sacks. One sack weight was 100 kilograms. Now tell me what is the weight of 5 sacks. Yes, one by one. Grace, can you tell me what is the weight of 5 sacks? Grace? Weight,
500, ma'am.
yeah, how did you get that?
5 into 100
Very
equal
good.
to 500.
Yeah, so one sack weight is 100 kilo. What is it? One sack weight is 100 kilograms. They are loading 5 sacks of wheat. So the weight of 5 sacks of wheat is 5 into 100, 500 kilograms, right? 500 kilograms. Next, Ritesh. All of you be ready with
Yes, ma'am.
pencil and notebook and write, multiply and tell me the answer. A sack of rice weight is 35 kilograms and they are taking three sacks. So what is the weight? 3 into 35. Multiply and tell me. Others, those who have not written the name, please write down the name in the chat box. Yeah, Ritesh, answer. 3 into 35 or 35 into 3.
105, ma'am.
Very good. 105 kilograms. Okay. So one bag weight was 35 kilograms. They have placed 3 bags. So it has become 105 kilograms. Okay. Next. Akshit. So they have carried one water tank. The weight of one water tank is 50 kilograms. So what will be the total water tank weight?
Yes. 50 only, ma'am.
50 only, 50 kilograms, right? So I'll come back to you later. Next question is Sarika Krishna. Sarika? No response. Aditya? Why you people are not ready?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Aditya Vardhan. Here they have carried one almirah. What is the weight of one almirah?
50 kg.
Check it properly. What is the weight of one almirah? 70 kilograms. And they have carried only one. So what is the total weight they have carried for one almirah? 70 kilograms.
70 kilograms.
Right. Next, Dhruvish. A table. The weight of a table is? What is the weight of a table? 10 kilograms. If they have carried 3 tables, then what is the weight?
30 kilograms.
Yes, 3 into 10, 30 kilograms. Okay, good. Next is Akshaya. Akshaya.
Yes, ma'am.
One chair weight is 5 kilograms. They are carrying 4 chairs. So what will be the total weight? 4 chairs. Each chair weight is 5 kilograms. What is the total weight? Quick. Sirivanala.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the weight of 4 chairs?
200, ma'am.
Each chair weight is only 5 kilograms, my dear. What is the weight of 4 chairs? 4 fives are
20.
4 fives are 20. That is 20 kilograms. All others can also answer. A mattress. Each mattress weight is 20 kilograms. What will be the weight of 2 mattresses? Pallavi,
Yes, ma'am.
what will be the weight of two matches?
2 into ma'am 40.
40. Very good. 2 into 20, 40 kilograms. Yeah. Next, who else here? Harshavarshini.
Ma'am, skeleton.
What is the weight of bamboo ladder here?
10 kgs, ma'am.
10 kilograms, and it is taken only one. So 1 tens are 10, and pots and pans in total 10 kilograms. So now you have to add all these. Quickly, children, add and tell me the answer. 500 plus 105 plus 50 plus 70 plus 30.
Ma'am,
Ah,
I have a doubt. Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
what is your doubt? What is your doubt?
Ma'am, in pots and pans, there is not written number, ma'am.
Yes.
Number of items.
Why it is not written? Because total number of pots and total number of pans all are packed in one bag, and in total that bag weight is 10 kilograms. There are only one such bag, so it is 10 kilograms is given.
Okay.
Yeah. So now when you added all these, you have got 835 kilograms. 835 kilograms, right?
Kilogram.
Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
So 835 kilograms. So the total weight they have loaded on the cart is 835. Now, do you remember what I said? What is the capacity of horse to carry the load?
700 kg.
700 kilograms. Now, what is the weight they have loaded?
700
kilograms,
ma'am. 735 kilograms.
Now, yeah, now listen, The capacity of horse is only 700 kilograms, but these people loaded 835 kilograms. Is it more or less? Did they load more or less? So that is why horse was not able to move. Then how will you help horse to move? Tell me. Some things you need to remove from the cart. Now you see the table once again. I will show you the table. Now tell me how much we should remove. First you tell me. How much weight we should remove? Take it 700. Yes. You are in mute.
A tank, ma'am. 135 ma'am. A tank we remove.
No, not one item. In total, tell me how many kilograms of weight we need to remove so that the horse will easily move. It means we need to make the weight as 700 kilograms. Yes. Who will answer this? Mokshita. Tell me, Mokshita.
We have to remove 35 kgs.
If you remove 35, 835 minus 35 will be 800 only. But horse can carry 700 only. So 800, it is difficult for the horse to move. So that is a wrong answer.
100.
Huh? What?
135 kgs, ma'am.
Very good. How did you get that 135?
By subtracting, ma'am.
What did you subtract?
835 subtracted by 700.
835 minus 700. When you do this, you are getting 135 kilograms. So from the given loaded, 135 kilograms are removed. Things are to be removed. Then the horse can move. Let us check the table. Removing what items? It will be 700. Let us check. Okay. So all of you check it. I will ask one of the students. Yes. Shreyas, can you answer? Shreyas? Very good. Yeah. Shreyas, now, can you see the table?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So in this table, you can see this right side what I have written. Out of this, you have to subtract 135 kilograms. So which items I should remove? Tell me. 135. So you can select something in 100s and something in 30s. Anyone else? Yeah, Aditya Vardhan is showing. Yeah, please don't show there. You tell me. I have given you chance, Aditya. Please don't do it here and tell me which items we can remove from this. All of you can answer, please.
Ma'am,
Ha.
It's like a wheat.
Not wheat.
It's like a wheat.
Yeah, yeah. Akshay.
Sack of wheat, ma'am.
table, ma'am. Sack of wheat and table.
Yeah, children, some of you said that sack of wheat. If sack of wheat is removed, 500 kilograms will be removed and it will be too less. Then they cannot continue with all the things to be loaded, right? So what can be done is not 500, exactly remove 135 kilograms weight. So what is that you have to remove? Some of you students have given the answer as sack of rice. Very good, okay. Sack of rice is 105 kilograms. 30 more can be taken. So 30 is a table, right? 3 tables, isn't it? So is a sack of rice, that is 3 sacks of rice and 3 tables if removed. So 105 kilograms plus 30 kilograms, that is 135 kilograms will be removed from 835. Then it will become 700. So let us check it up. So see here, which things should be removed so that the weight of the load is not more than 700 kilograms. So total weight is 835 kilograms. Required weight is 700 kilograms. Weight to be removed is 835 minus 700, that is 135 kilograms. So weight of 3 sacks of rice is 105 kilograms and the weight of 3 tables is 30 kilograms. So in total 135 kilograms. So these two things if removed, then the horse can move easily. Okay. So see here I have marked it 105 kilograms, that is 3 sacks of rice and 30 kilograms, 3 tables. Hope this is clear, children. Is this clear? Yeah. So let us go to the next part now. Okay. So now a student, Dinesan, went shopping. Dinesan went to a shop and bought some things. His younger brother, like you, who is very naughty, cut the end of the bill where the weights were written. Guess and write the weight of each thing he bought in grams or in kilograms. Okay, so rice, 5 bags. Rice is 5. So what is that 5? Rice, do you bring 5 grams or 5 kilograms? Do you know 5 grams means how much do you get?
5 kilograms, ma'am.
Yes, it should be 5.
And we have to make this, ma'am.
5
kilograms.
kilograms. 5 grams will be very little, and we don't bring such little rice to our home, isn't it? We have to cook every day. Yes, so rice in kilograms, 5 kilograms. What about the next one? Sugar.
Ma'am, which page, ma'am?
What is
Which page?
page number?
You want page number? Wait, I'll tell you. Just a second. Don't shout. I will tell you the page number. Page number.
Page number 130.
Wait, I'm telling. Wait a second. 139.
39.
Page number 139. Check it up. Page number 139. Okay. So now rice they have brought 1 bag. Sorry, we have discussed this. Rice is in kilograms, right? So rice they have bought 5 bags and 5 bags is in kilograms. Sugar, can you tell me sugar? Sugar should be in kilograms or
Sugar
grams?
1 kg.
Sugar 1 kilogram.
Kilograms.
Why is it not grams? Sugar, why is it not grams?
Because sugar we want to make the milk, coffee,
So-
tea.
Yeah, very good. We drink tea, we drink milk, we make sweets at home, right? So sugar is a daily need. So you can it is sorry. Sugar it is not enough if you get in grams.
But we don't use so much.
You don't use so much, but still, if you bring it in grams, it may not be enough, right? Even if it's milk, if you use, that is not enough if you're bringing in children. Yeah, so sugar we bring it in kilograms. Then mustard seeds 10. Mustard seeds 10. Now tell me, do you know the meaning of mustard seeds? Yeah, Dhruvish, mustard seeds, do you get it in grams or kilograms?
Grams, ma'am.
Mustard seeds in grams. Do you know what mustard seeds are?
Avalu.
Avalu. Have you ever eaten that?
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Children, have you ever
We
seen? Have you
Yeah,
ever
ma'am.
seen?
Telling
Who is this in chat box? What is this going on? Why so many namaskarams here, Pranita? Very good morning, but need not do all these things. Huh? Don't do anything in chat box. It's an official chat box, right? Only answers and questions if you want to ask. That's it. And your name for attendance. Nothing more. Yeah. Yes, now. So children, hope you know mustard seeds, which your mother might be using every day for every curry. It is very good for health. So, but we use only very few, 3 or 4, right? For every curry. So we get that in grams. We don't need in kilograms, right? 10 kilograms means you'll be getting a big bag of mustard seeds, which you may use this for years, right? So we don't need, we get it in grams. Yeah. Charan Raj, please sit and listen to me. You are very busy in some other activity. Okay. So mustard seeds in grams. Next is wheat. Children, wheat. If I put it, you put you in mute.
Kilograms, ma'am.
Huh?
Kilograms.
Yeah. Wheat
Grams,
kilograms. You know what wheat it is? It is used for even to get a flour, wheat flour to make chapatis and all, right? So you need it in kilograms. Grams of wheat is not enough. Okay, so mustard seeds will make it grams. Or let me take a pencil. So mustard seeds.
We should write in notebook now.
Grams.
We should write in notebook now.
A notebook, I'll send it to you, Akshay. Then you take down in your notebook, or not now, because you cannot make these tables right now. Okay. So wheat in kilograms. Okay. What about dal? 500. Dal 500.
500 meters. 500 meters.
500 grams.
Do you know 500 kilograms means what? Do you know what is the meaning of 500 kilograms? How much do you get? Any idea? See, generally dal is brought in kilograms. I accept it. If you ask your mother, yes, definitely we get it in kilograms, because dal is a proteinic food which we need every day, right? We every day use dal. It's very good. But how many kilograms? Maybe 5 kilograms, 10 kilograms, but not 500 kilograms, isn't it? Yes, 500 kilograms is much more. Isn't it? Even rice bag we don't get for 500 kilograms. At the most, we get some 20 kilograms, 25 kilograms, isn't it? For our small families, we people are only 4 or 5. So we get only 25 kilograms of rice bag, right? So dal, we get it in kilograms, that is for sure. But When it is mentioned 500 kilograms, we don't bring. So when it is given as 500, it is grams. It is grams. Do you understand? So dal, we get it in grams. Then next, what about tea? 250. Tea 250, pepper 25. Huh?
Grams.
Yes, 250 grams. That also we don't bring it in kilograms. It will be a lot. Then pepper also we use only 1 or 2 per day. So 25 grams would we bring. Okay. So this you have to write down in your notebook later. Okay. Now let us go to the next part. This Ritesh, you asked me. See, you can understand here. Please check this. Which pan of the balance will go down? Show by drawing an arrow. So here some weights are given on the pans. Okay, you have to add these and find out how much is that. Then you have to draw an arrow, the pan which goes down. Can you tell me which pan goes down? When you have two pans and some weights, which pan goes down, the heavier one or lighter one?
The heavier one.
Definitely the heavier one. Yeah, definitely the heavier one. So now listen, children, listen. So here we are given some pans and the weights are in grams. The weights are in grams. Okay, all the weights which are given on the two plates are in grams. Now you have to add and know which number is greater. The greater number, to that you have to put an arrow down. Okay, so let us see. Now, yeah. So once again, let me show you the. Okay, so here, which pan of the balance will go down? Show by drawing an arrow. Here, first one is 25 plus 40. What is 25 plus 40? 65 grams. And here it is 35 plus 40. That is 75 grams. So which one is greater? As you know, 75 is greater than 65. So we have drawn an arrow mark downwards on the plate where more weights you have. The one, Kashi, what you have drawn is wrong. Please rub it off. That is 65 grams and 65 grams cannot be more. 75 grams is more. So this one is greater. So this one goes down. That is why an arrow is drawn here down. Clear? Now, coming to the next. 75 plus 75. 75 plus 75 is 150 grams. Whereas 35 plus 140. Can you add and tell me 35 plus 140? 35 plus 140 quickly. Children, 35 plus 140. 35 plus
175.
Very good. 175. So what is the other weight given? 150. The other one is 150 and this one is 175. So which one is greater? 175. That is why this here you have drawn and brown arrow mark. Okay. So now next one. 20 plus 196. Quickly. 20 plus 196. 196 plus 20. Quickly add and tell me. 196 plus 20. 196 plus 20.
196.
Wrong. 196 is the number I gave. 216. Very good. 216. Okay, so let us check the remaining, the other plate weight. So 216 and the other one given is 197. Tell me which one is greater, 216 or 197?
116.
So that is why here arrow is drawn downwards. Okay. So next one, 75 plus 36. Quickly. 75 plus 36. 75 plus 36.
111, ma'am.
111. Very good. 111. So the other one, let us 63
111, ma'am.
63 plus 100. 63 plus 100.
63. Mom, 163. 163.
163. So 108. Who is that? Oh, don't write ma here. I am writing no. 111 and 163. Which one is greater? Which one is greater?
163.
Yes.
106.
So, right, fine. So that one will go down. That part will go down. See here, you can see here this 163 is going down. Okay. Next. Yeah, Aditya, Tanvi, please don't do it on the screen. If you are doing, I am doing, everything will be confused. Please don't do that. Okay. So next is, let us go to the next one. So next, 105 plus 200. Quickly add and tell me. 105 plus 200.
305. 100. 305. 305.
Good, good. Next, 150 plus 250. 400. So this is greater, that is why it goes down. Okay. Now quickly, children, listen. The other part you have to do it fastly. Okay. So I'll give you some numbers. I'll give you numbers, add and tell me the answer. Okay. 55 grams, 245 grams, and 700 grams. Add and tell me. 55, 245, 700. Quickly. 55, 245, 700. Yes, answer fast.
1000 grams, ma'am.
Very good. 1000 grams. So you have, yeah, very good. 1000 grams means what? Do you know how can you relate this in kilograms? Last class we have learned this.
1 kg.
Kilogram.
1 kg. 1 kg.
We have already learned that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, right? 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Is that correct? Yes. Now can you tell me? Yeah, Akshay, don't write. Please don't write on the screen. Rub it off. Now, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, right? Now, can you tell me what is half a kilogram? What is half a kilogram? 100,
ma'am.
Huh?
100.
Yeah, you can answer orally. Don't write on the screen. Wait a second.
50 grams, ma'am. 50 grams.
So now, half kilogram is equal to how much?
500.
50. Who is Sirivanala? Is that Sirivanala? Half kilogram is 500 grams. What about 3 by 4?
700. 700.
700?
700, ma'am.
No.
Yes.
No. 3 by 4 is 750. Last class we discussed 3 by 4 kilogram is equal to 750 grams. Then what about 1 by 4? 1 by 4 kilogram? Answer. What about 1 by 4? Very good. 250 grams, right? Okay. So now let us go back to our class. So here it is 1000 grams, that is 1 kilogram, and the other part is 850 grams. So because 1000 grams is greater, this pan goes down. Now, is the weight on any of the pans equal to 1 kilogram? Is the weight of any one of the pans is 1 kilogram? Yes, just now you have seen 1000 grams is 1 kilogram. So we have marked on it. How many grams are there in 1 kilogram? We have discussed 1 kilogram is 1000 grams, right? Okay. Next one. A simple one, car and tractor. Here Ritu is weighing her toys. She wants to know if her tractor is heavier than her car. How would you help her to find out quickly? Which is the heaviest, a real car, bus, or a tractor? So for her, what can we suggest? You can ask her to put a car and tractor on the two pans, right? Whichever goes down, that is heavier. That's a simple solution we can give to her. Next one is, which one is heavier? A real car, a bus, or a tractor? We know that real car, you travel, your father goes to office every day, you travel by car. So you have seen car is a bit smaller than a tractor. And tractor, where do we use? In generally in a field. In fields, we use tractor, right? So, but you see that bus is much bigger than tractor. Many passengers travel at a time, isn't it? So which one is the heaviest one? Here, bus is heaviest. So you can say that car is heavy, tractor is heavier, but bus is the heaviest. Okay. Similarly, which is the heaviest thing you have seen? I have seen a rail engine as heaviest. If you have any other idea, you can tell me. Anything else which you have seen much heavier than that? Anything else? Yeah, if you can write anything which you feel that more heavier than these, what I have written, rail engine. If you have any other idea, you can take down. Yeah. What? I don't know. Your voice is not clear. So anyways, you can write anything. Whatever you think. Right. Yeah, children. So whichever you find, you can write one of the items which is the heaviest one you have seen in your life. And then there is a beautiful story to be continued, but time is up. Let us do that story in the next class. This is again relating to the heaviness. Okay, so we will see that in the next class. Hope you understood what you have done. Hope Ritesh, you got your doubt cleared.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so similarly, the last exercise, what I have given in the last class, a worksheet I have sent to you, there a bread loaf and some of the things were kept in the two pans. You were asked to find which one is heavier and put a arrow mark, whichever is heavier. Okay, that is what you have to do. That's we have done today for a few examples we did today in the classroom. Hope all of you have enjoyed. I will send you this to your WhatsApp group. Please do all the problems neatly, number wise in your notebook with the name of the chapter, how heavy, how light. Okay, story now I cannot tell, Tanvi Priya. I'm sorry, it is 9:45 already. We are late. So I have to end the session. Okay, children, hope all of you have written in your names in the chat box. I'm going to give the attendance. Everyone has done? Kashi, did you write your name in the chat box? Yes? Did you write? You have unmute yourself. Yeah, so please, those who have not written, write down immediately.
Ma'am, I'm Kasi, ma'am.
I know you are Kashi, my dear. I am asking you if you have written your name chat box in the chat box or not.
Ma'am, నేను chat box లో రాస్తుంటే అది రావట్లేదు మ్యామ్.
రావట్లేదా? How come? Everyone
అది చాట్ బాక్స్ నేను ఫోన్ తింటున్నాం మ్యామ్. ఇది ఏది నొక్కినా అసలు రావట్లేదు మ్యామ్. అసలు చాట్ బాక్స్ లా ఏది రాయాలో నాకు అసలు అర్థమైతలేదు మ్యామ్. కంప్యూటర్ లో అయితే నాకు వస్తుంది మ్యామ్, కానీ నాకు ఇట్లా కానీ ఫోన్ లోనే నాకు కొంచెం ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది మ్యామ్.
ఓకే, phone you have a chat box. Anyways, I have taken down your name. Don't worry, I will give the chance.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, for others, please write it in your chat box. Even then, I have taken the picture of participants. So as per that, I will give. Okay, children, bye for today. Hope you have enjoyed. You will enjoy a beautiful story next class. Don't miss the next class and complete everything, whatever I send it to you. Okay, maybe after half an hour or 1 hour I send, because I have immediately another class. So after that, I will send it to you. Okay then, children, bye.
Bye, ma'am.